It's a sunny day. It's a very good morning from work, and now going home to sleep. So no more school. So I get to enjoy na matulog after my work. Thank you. Well, manatiis-tiis lang bitaw. Pag mag-work, mali ka og laing country. You just have to pray nga ang tanan mo align sa imuhang star sa universe. Bitaw. Grabe. Ang Ginoo mo pahalo na radyo. Basta, you just have to do what you think nga maayo para nimo and para sa uban. And then, everything will be good. And you feel also satisfied sa imong mga trabaho, sa imong mga clients, and how you deal with other people too. Kay gaan ang imong heart. Open ang imong heart. Yeah? Open heart surgery. Anyway, basta it's a good morning. Very nice. Look at the trees. Yeah? It's no more twigs. Now, ang trees is so covered with the green leaves or different color leaves. Very baga. So that's why, well, that makes the day very beautiful. So I really love to see places like this. Before, it was just a dream. Now, I never thought nga diri na ako makita. No, nanaan ka baga sa trees sa neighborhood, and then limpyo, hilom, safe. Well, thank God. Have a good day. Bye bye. Just a full of appreciation day.